Hey guys, this is Mama Maid. Welcome back to another Couponers product review video. I do these videos on products that I have purchased with couponing and just do brief little reviews on whether we liked them or not. So if you've been watching my giant couponing hauls, I'm sure you would have noticed that I have purchased a lot of oat milk over the past month. I've purchased Chobani. This is probably, I don't really know if I have a favorite, but Chobani oat milk, I have not seen the chocolate yet in my store. I think I would absolutely love that. I'm pretty sure my kids would like that as well. So I'm hoping I see that in my store and we get a good deal on it because I'm definitely excited about trying that. But I love this Chobani oat milk. Now, I do not pour it in a glass and drink it straight up. I use it to make a chocolate shake. It's sugar-free, it's low carb, it is amazing. It reminds me of a Frosty, and I make these almost every single day. I will go ahead and link the video in the description box below, but sometimes we get this for free or super cheap, and it's a great way to use it up if you're unsure. I'm pretty sure oat milk is vegan, and I can't think of the other type of things it is, but some of it I believe is low sugar as well. So definitely a great alternative for people who have issues with milk or don't want to drink it. But I definitely love this product. I will use this all the time. Now that we're talking about oat milk, I've tried the oat I've tried Planet Oat, and it's all pretty good. So I definitely will give oat milk a thumbs up. Now, I don't drink milk to begin with, just like straight in a cup. I think it's nasty. So I did try this like alone, and it wasn't nasty, just like in a cup. I would not just drink a whole cup of it. It has an oatmeal flavor. I know it's oat milk, so you would expect that. But if you don't like oatmeal, I don't think you would like the taste of straight up oat milk. So anyway, guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.